Hello, TV enthusiasts. Struggling with those annoying horizontal lines on your LG OLED TV 65? Wondering how to fix LG OLED TV 65 horizontal lines effectively without spending a lot on repairs or replacements? You are in the right place. In this guide, we're diving into professional tips and do-it-yourself solutions to help you eliminate these pesky lines and restore your TV to its pristine display quality. Step 1. Check your connections. The first thing you should do is check all the connections. Ensure that all HDMI cables are firmly connected and in good condition. Poor connections or damaged cables can often result in distorted image quality, including horizontal lines. To troubleshoot, try using a different HDMI cable or switching to another HDMI port on your TV. If the issue persists, your cabling isn't the culprit, and it's time to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Perform a picture test. Next, let's perform a picture test using your LG OLED TV's built-in feature. Navigate to the settings menu and find the picture test option. This test will help identify if the problem lies with the display panel or some internal setting adjustments. If the test images display correctly, it may indicate an issue with the input source or external device. Conversely, if the lines appear during the test, the problem might be internal, requiring more in-depth diagnostics. Step 3. Update your firmware. An outdated firmware might be causing compatibility issues leading to horizontal lines. To fix this, ensure your TV's software is up to date. Navigate to the Support or General section in the Settings menu and check for updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Keeping your TV software current not only helps rectify display issues, but also improves performance and enhances features. Step 4. Adjust display settings. Sometimes incorrect display settings might trigger horizontal lines. Go back to the Settings menu and explore the picture settings. Try resetting to default or tweaking the sharpness, contrast, and brightness. Minor adjustments can make a significant difference and might just solve those line issues. If adjustments don't help, ensure the aspect ratio is correctly set to just scan or original, as incorrect scaling can introduce display anomalies. Step 5. Explore professional repair. If all else fails, the issue might be hardware related, involving the T-Con board or other internal components. At this point, it's prudent to consult with LG's customer service or an authorized repair technician. Pursuing a professional evaluation will help you understand if a repair or a replacement is necessary. Remember, attempting to disassemble or repair the TV yourself may void existing warranties or exacerbate the problem if not handled with caution. Resolving horizontal lines on your LG OLED TV 65 may seem daunting at first, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to restoring your TV's impeccable display. From checking and securing connections to adjusting settings or seeking professional help, there are multiple avenues to explore. Remember, keeping your software updated and your settings optimized can prevent many common display issues. Enjoy your beautifully clear TV screen and stay tuned for more Tech Fix-It guides.